Welcome back to my channel, man. Today we are going to be reacting to a short horror film called Noise. I really hope y'all enjoy this video. Hope y'all like this video. Comment down below what you want to see next and subscribe, alright? But before we actually get into the video, this whole entire week, Sunday through Saturday, I am uploading horror short films back to back to back. I recently got a comment on my last video saying that something like I should upload videos every day for an entire week. So I'm like, I'm gonna upload a video this entire week of just horror short films, and hopefully y'all enjoy this video. Shout out to the person that commented that in my comment section. Like I said before, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Hope y'all like this video. Comment down below what you want to see next and subscribe. You already hearing me talk. You might as well, you know. Subscribe, share a video or two, you feel me? And let's get into the video. Off rip. It's really, it's giving off that horror. My heart. Okay, hold up. I wasn't ready. These dogs got me tripping, man. Look at these. Got my heart, pumping right now. Hold up. Alright, let's go. What? Hold up. I'm not ready. Oh, I'm not ready. I'm not ready for this. Noise. It sure do got a lot of noise. You feel me? A lot of noise is going on already. I'm not ready. Alright, let's go. Come on. Nothing better not pop out. Nothing better. Oh my God, come on. No. I'm not ready. Okay, let's go. Why are you turning it up? Okay, let's go. Come on. I'm not ready for this, people. No cap. Yo, what is that? Them dogs. Get your dogs, man. Them dogs got me tweaking right now. Hey, run if you, run right now. Oh. No, pause. I had to pause. I'm not ready for this. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's go. Come on, we got this. Let's just do it. Come on, nigga, let's go. I'm not good with this, nigga. Like, I am not ready for this. I'm scared right now. Hold up. Alright, let's go. Come on, proceed. Hey, you kinda. What happened? What's going on? What is about to happen? Ah! What? I don't have no words. I don't know what the f is watch. It's like, I'm so scared and confused and shocked. Like, I feel like I just got like electrocuted. Like, I'm shocked right now. I don't know what I just watched. Hopefully y'all can explain to me what I just watched in the comment section. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all like this video. Comment down what this was, cause I'm shaking right now. Like like my body is tweaking right now. Like I said before, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all like this video. Comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe, man. I love y'all. Thank y'all for everything, and I'm out. Peace.